Every art piece has a story to say, a story that begins from inspiration and ends up into an art piece. The inspiration that we get from our surrounding, the people we meet, the things that we see, and that inspiration comes out in the canvas. So let's see what's the story behind today's artwork. Today's artwork is evolved from a festival. Yes, a South Indian festival called Onam. It's a harvest festival celebrated in Kerala. This festival falls around August or September. Today is August 31st and today is Onam. Yeah, and this festival is celebrated today all over the world by all the Malayalis. So happy Onam to all my viewers. So as I said, my today's art piece is evolved from this festival Onam. During this festival, every family lays off rangoli with the help of flowers, and this is called as Pookalam. I'll show you a glimpse of Pookalam that we made last year. This is the Pookalam that we made last year. Look at the vibrant colors. So from this I got the idea of today's artwork. I thought of using some rich vibrant colors on a round canvas which would resemble a Pookalam and making some floral patterns with the technique of pouring. So let's see how it comes out. So let's move on to the video. I'm using an open cup pour technique here, and I want to make the base color as green. So I'm pouring the first color as green. I'm replacing this cup with another one. A pattern is created there so that I get a floral design. Rich vibrant colors of yellow, red and orange I'll be using here. I'm spreading it all over the canvas. Once the base color is ready, I'm using some yellow fluorescent color to give a shade to the green color, then the fluorescent pink color. And by rotating the canvas, I'm trying to spread it out. Then I poured purple color. I wanted to create that floral design in the between center of the canvas. So again I'm pouring the purple color here, and you can see a floral pattern is formed, and I'm giving the center as golden color, and I'm spreading the golden color all over the canvas. The gold in the center enhances the floral pattern of the center. I worked on this till I was satisfied. I added more of blue and purple shades, and you can see that I have painted the border with gold, and this is the end result when it dried, and you can see the beautiful floral pattern. I really loved the way it came out. The bright, vibrant colors are really eye-catching, and so it resembles my Pookalam. So I name it as Pookalam on canvas. Thank you for watching.